I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team.
In this video we're going to upload your first video to YouTube. You've set up your YouTube channel, you've optimized everything, and you're ready to upload your first video. To start uploading your first video, click the camera icon with the plus inside of it, and you'll be able to upload your first video. This will bring you to the YouTube upload screen. Before you upload, take a look at the upload privacy settings. You have public, unlisted, private and scheduled. And public means your video will be accessible everywhere. Anyone can see it, absolutely anywhere. Unlisted means that only people with the link will be able to access it. It won't be public on YouTube, it won't be on the featured page. Only people with the link to your video will be able to see it. Private means only you can see the video or other managers on your YouTube channel. If someone does have the link and tries to go to it, it won't show up. And scheduled allows you to schedule the video go live at a specified date. This is useful if you want to schedule a bunch of uploads at once without having to worry about doing them individually. For our first video we're going to select private, and this is just in case we make any mistakes. So if we upload the wrong video, if we put something wrong in the description or make any other kind of mistake, no one else will be around to see it. No one else is going to be able to see the video, no one but you. Now you've selected your privacy setting, click here to upload. Now you need to find the video that you want to upload. Then once you select it, it will start to upload. You can see the upload bar here with how long it's got left until it's fully uploaded. While we're waiting for that to upload, we can edit our title, description, tags and a few other things that we need for our video. There's four main things that are essential for any video, and that's the title, the description, the tags or keywords, and the thumbnail. First, you need to have a compelling title. Try to aim for around 70 characters. Be concise and descriptive about the video that you're posting. Title should give an idea of what the video is about and include any keywords that you want the video to rank for, while making it sound as natural as possible. You should never use clickbaity or misleading titles. You might get a lot of clicks onto your video, but it will end up in higher bounce rates, lower video rankings, and some pretty unhappy viewers as well. Next is the description. The description is really important to assist with YouTube's algorithm. You should write a detailed description of what your video is about and why it's helpful to people. This will help YouTube index it and show it to the right people. Again, include any keywords that you want to rank for in the description as well. Any important information and any links should be within the first couple of sentences. The description is also a good place where you can link to any other websites or social media accounts. The third is tags, and tags improve the ranking and visibility of your video. Tags is just another way of saying keywords. Keywords are really important because it tells YouTube exactly what you're trying to rank for and what your video is about. Think about what other people are searching for with your video. What words are they using? What specific phrases are they using? And use these as tags. For a title, I'm going to put Builderall Review, and in description, I'm going to put This is my Builderall review. Join here, builderall.com, and in the tags, I'm going to put Builderall, Builderall review, and Builderall is awesome. I separate my tags or keywords with commas, and it puts them into separate keywords. You should also never use misleading titles or tags to try and get more views. Google's algorithm is much more intelligent than you think, and they will probably penalize you for it. So the fourth and final thing that we need to do is select a thumbnail for our video. If you have a decent thumbnail which they've chosen, then you can simply click Set as Thumbnail. If none of these thumbnails are good, you can create your own thumbnail and add it later. Once you're happy with everything, hit Done, and your video is now ready to view at this URL. And now you can preview your video. And as you can see here, it's private, it's only set to you. Now you've viewed the video and seen that there's no mistakes in either the description, the title, or the video itself. You can navigate back to the Creator Studio and edit the video. To do that, we come into the title up here, and then YouTube Studio. And you can take a tour of the studio. You can go to videos to see the videos that you've uploaded, and then you simply click the title to start making any changes. So once you're happy with everything, you can change your visibility to public, so then it's set as public on YouTube and anyone can view it, and then hit save. Here you can also perform a load of advanced options on the video, such as adding cards, end screens, or audio, video, and all sorts of other settings, but you don't need to worry about them just now. They're advanced settings for much later on. Right now we're just focusing on building a solid foundation for your YouTube channel. The next step to that is adding your video to a playlist. And having keyword-rich playlists is a really effective way to improve YouTube SEO and increase search traffic. Playlists are awesome at grouping up videos and ensuring that viewers view more than just one of your video. Playlists help users find content and organize it easily. So when creating playlists, think about general categories that you're going to talk about. Can you fit videos into multiple playlists? And what useful topics can you create new playlists for? So to create a YouTube playlist, we come into playlists here, and then create a playlist, and then we need to add a title. This is going to be Builderall 1, and then create. Now Builderall 1 is a created playlist, and this video is in this playlist. When you're done, click save. And that's the most important parts of uploading a YouTube video. So in this video we went over uploading your first video to YouTube.